Hello everybody, my name is Nazgul. I am an English teacher of Jalal-Abad College of Jalal-Abad State University, named by Bekmamat Osmanov. Subject: Methods of Teaching Foreign Languages. Today, in my lesson, I am going to speak about the using visual aids in teaching English language. At the beginning of our lesson, let's read the aims of the lesson. To learn the meaning of the visual aids in teaching English language, to know types of visual aids, to learn how to make visual aids and to practice in the lesson, and expected results of the lesson. At the end of the lesson, student is able to give the meaning of visual aids, distinguishes types of visual aids, to make visual aids, and demonstrate in the lesson. What is visual aid? An object or picture that relates to the subject being taught. Anything that provides a visual representation of concepts students are to learn. Teachers can't imagine teaching process without visual aids. Using visual aids help students easily understand and realize the main points they have learned at the lesson. For each visual aid, students have different responses and expressions because of their different educational and cultural background. Using visual aids can help learners understand the deep meaning of a topic and realize similarities and differences between each topic. In learning foreign language, using visual aids is a main teaching strategy. We know that memorizing language forms and words is a difficult process. In English language teaching, classroom using visual aids can help students to strengthen and reinforce what they have learned. The reason may be that they allow students to absorb the information through an additional sensory perception. If teachers use visual aids regularly, students will expect to learn the next language topic by using visual aids because each visual aid for them is an interesting learning tool. Facilitating an interesting learning environment can enhance students' English abilities, and this is a major goal for English teachers. These aids allow students to have a chance to brainstorm and present their ideas or thoughts. They can create their own stories in which there are no right or wrong answers. Furthermore, they can also participate in group work such as paired reading or small group activity. They will have opportunities to create their own stories that depend on their background experience. Types of visual aids. There are flashcards, photographs, posters, pictures, handouts, maps, objects, flowchart, models, slides, films, multimedia. A flashcard with a letter, a sound, symbol, or word to be used for quickly showing to pupils and in this way for developing pupils' skills in reading and pronunciation. Flashcards are usually made by the teacher or by the pupils and the teacher direction, so there are some ready-made flashcards. It is very useful to use at the primary school. A wall chart is a big sheet of paper with drawing or words to be hung in the classroom and used for revision or generalization of linguistic phenomena. Though For the printed wall charts, the teacher should prepare his own wall charts because he needs more than he can get for his work. Posters or series of illustrations of portraying story. Pictures. There are three types of pictures which are used in teaching a foreign language. Object pictures. In the object pictures, we can see only one thing. For example, a beer. Situational pictures. In the pictures, situational, a beer is eating honey. Topical pictures. In the topical pictures, you can see beer and his home. There are two kinds of photographs. Which is used black and white and colored. One can use photographs which are on sale, for example, our family, my home, and others. A handout is a paper-based resource used to support objects or things in the classroom, such as pens, pencils, books, and many articles which the teacher can use in presenting English names for them. Toys and puppets may be widely used in teaching children of primary schools, which is the case in the specialized schools. English names for them and in stimulating pupils' activities to utilize the words denoting objects they can see, touch, point to, give, take, and other. A slide. A slide is a glass or plastic plate bearing a picture. Slides are usually colored and used in sets to illustrate a story. The teacher can utilize slides for developing hearing and speaking skills. Multimedia means that computer information can be represented through audio, video, and animation in addition in traditional media. And all of the teacher can use many types of visual aids. Now, I want to
Dear students, I want to show how to make visual aid at home. I need scissor, marker, glue, and color paper. I cut two t-shirts and stick a pocket on the t-shirts, and then I write down the word nouns and adjectives. I have a lot of cards which are written noun words and adjectives word. For example, good is an adjective word put in the pocket. And next, pants is a noun word put in the pocket. Warm is a adjective word put in the pocket. Tense is a noun word put in the pocket. And pupils can add adjectives words and noun words in the pocket. These visual aids helps teachers reinforce the new grammar topic, and pupils complete the exercise with pleasure and remember the grammar topic.
Advantages of using visual aids. Clarity, make topic clear by seeing, helps audience understand statistics, shows how something works, makes it more vivid. Interest, visual images causes interest. Retention, visual images stay longer than verbal ones. Now, I am sure that you understand a new material, and your homework will be to get information about visual aids and to prepare visual aids for the teaching English language. Now our lesson is over. Thank you for your attention.